Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too. And if you're new to my channel, hello and thanks for clicking on this particular video. So I wanted to share my parents' anniversary that happened in the month of June, but मैं बहुत busy हो गई and I thought I almost lost this footage, but I found it last night while I was editing, all other video clips that I have on my phone, and I just saw that I had only 2 minutes worth of content. उस टाइम पे मेरे पैर में चोट थी एंड pretty much I just had shifted to this particular location and I was quite busy, so we didn't do a lot, but whatever we did I thought I will share it with you guys. So um, you know I was in bed rest and then I just went to just celebrate my parents' anniversary. We went to Saherites. तो उसके clips मैं अभी ऐड कर रही हूँ, उसके बाद मैं आप लोगों से मिलूँगी.
तो गैस फर्स्ट हमने ये वाला एंट्रेंस सोचा था, बट ये एग्ज़िट था. बाय द वे एंट्री और एक और बगल में ही गेट था जो एंट्री भी लिखा था. वी थॉट दिस इज़ द गेट, बट हमें पता चला ये सिर्फ चेक इन के लिए है. जो होटल में रहने के लिए आते हैं उनकी चेक इन के लिए. और यहाँ पे था रेस्टोरेंट का एंट्रेंस. तो एक्चुअली यहाँ पे आउटडोर सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट बहुत ही अच्छी है, बट बिकॉज़ बारिश बहुत ज़ोर से पड़ी थी तो सारा कुछ वहाँ पे बंद कर दिया था सर्विस. बट इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ नाइस टाइम टू स्पेंड एंड हैव ग्रेट फूड with your family or loved ones, this is the place you should come. Like, they have both veg and non-veg options and both of them are really tasty. I haven't come in front of the camera because I was in a lot of pain and I was not worth showing, so I thought I will just share tiny bits of clips for you guys. So we had almost everything, like starters, salads, soups, some lasagna, some Indian food, and all of that. And then my parents cut the cake, so they were in a very jovial mood. Actually उनको शर्म आ रही थी कि इतने एज हो गई है एंड वी आर कटिंग अ केक. सो या it took me also time to edit this because baby का जो baby को edit out करना था in most of the clips, and he was coming in the clips and my sister is not okay with sharing him on the web right now. And यहाँ पे मम्मी मस्ती कर रही थी, केक लगा रही थी डैड को. फिर उसके बाद मैंने भी लगाया है. ऐसे नहीं कि मैंने नहीं लगाया, तो मैंने दोनों को लगाया है. बट these were the clips. And
Alright you guys, आपने clips देख ली हैं. I only could record that much because pretty much हम लोगों ने कुछ नहीं किया. Yeah, my sister and my brother-in-law were also in town at that time, and when there is a baby involved, everything revolves around the baby. I think we were kind of busy with that as well. So I wanted to also share with you guys a small Amazon haul. So this is all of the things that I bought on the Prime Day sale, which happened on Saturday and Sunday, and today is Tuesday. So I've got most of my parcels here. There are a couple of things that are still on the way, but I thought let me just share it with you guys. I think there's one or two things that are missing and I can add that clips later on, so I thought whatever I have, let me just share it with you guys. First things first, I got this rhinestone placer and the rhinestones and the tweezer. If you remember in my previous vlogs, I had bought this one previously too, but because I shifted, I don't know, I think I lost that. And when I was trying to do a creative look, I couldn't find it. I tried to search for it everywhere. There are a couple of things that I don't know where they've gone misplaced. So any which ways, I picked this one up again. The lighting is changing because there, I think it's starting to rain right now. Any which ways, this one I picked. I hope I will be able to make looks this time around. Also in that particular I think in one of the hauls I had shared with you guys that I had purchased these the glitters, I think, but again I lost this one as well. I picked this one up again, and it also comes with the glitter glue which is inside, because I thought I'll lose it, and now I'm not able to find it. That's how carefully I've kept it. But then you get a glitter glue. I don't know how these perform. I will do videos on my shorts and reels, so you guys can find that out. The thing that I picked up was this particular one. Basically this is a mat that you can use for scrubbing your brushes or cleaning your brushes, and this is how it comes. Like, you have a pad here as well to clean your brushes, and then you have this one too, to like quickly clean up your brush. You can do with this. So I picked this one up, and it's so easy to store as well. Next thing that I picked up was these lip liners from Mars. So I picked up an entire 10-piece set. Now the prices of this one have changed. They are priced at 59 rupees, and I wanted to pick it up at that time itself, but I was busy, and when I tried to pick these ones up, they were out of stock. That is what happens with most of the Mars product. They come in, they go out of stock really quickly, they go viral really quickly, and before you realize, they are all out of stock, and you have to wait for them to come back in stock. So that's what happened with me over here. Next thing that I have, which I have no clue what it is. Oh, okay. The next thing that I have in this tiny little Amazon parcel. See, I don't know how these other influencers have these big boxes with all the stuff in it, but whenever I place order, even if it is 10 things or 5, they still come in individual packets. I stay in the most noisiest area, so I finally gave in, and I called in for these powder puff. I don't know the brand of it. यहाँ पे लिखा है ट्वायरी, but I don't know. ये जब मैंने ऑर्डर किया था तो मैंने ब्लैक ही ऑर्डर किया था, but मुझे पिंक मिला. I'm not mad at it. Then I also called in for a couple of concealers, and they came in this particular bag. Unfortunately, the box did not make it through. It's just come this way. ये मरा हुआ बॉक्स आया है, एंड ये कंसीलर कुछ इस तरह लगता है. इसका मैं शॉर्ट्स बना दूँगी. आप बता देना अगर आपको फुल रिव्यू चाहिए, तो फिर आई कैन डू दैट एज वेल. बट आई थॉट कि सब लोग ऑलरेडी वीडियो बना चुके होंगे, तो मैं बनाऊँगी तो भी आप लोग नहीं देखोगे. So this is how it looks like. Gotten the shade honey medium, and I feel it is going to be perfect for my eyes because it has peach and orange undertones in it, and this was pretty affordable. So मेरे पास कोई affordable concealers नहीं है except for Swiss Beauty. So then I thought I will try. You guys love affordable makeup, तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि try कर लेते हैं. And next thing that I picked up was Inside का ही concealer. I know उनके पास 1-2 वेरिएंट्स हैं, बट ये आई थिंक उनका इनिशियल वेरिएंट है जो उन्होंने फर्स्ट लॉन्च करा था. तो इसका प्राइस 130 रुपीज़ है, एंड या दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. इट डजंट लुक लाइक अ अफोर्डेबल ब्रांड, राइट? इट लुक्स वेरी लक्स. बाय द वे, इन सब के प्राइजेज़ ना मुझे याद नहीं है, तो मैं स्क्रीन पे डाल दूँगी, आप लोग देख लेना. And let me just show you the shade of this. What is the shade number? I also got in the shade 03 Golden Sand. However, I felt like it has I could have gone in for one more shade darker. This is how it looks like. या एक चीज़ मुझे बुरी लगी, ये थोड़ा सा ऑलरेडी क्रैक्ड दिख रहा है, लाइक सेपरेटेड दिख रहा है, ड्राई दिख रहा है. मैंने इसको अभी तक यूज़ नहीं करा है, बट ये कुछ इस तरह का है. इसका भी मैं शॉर्ट्स बना दूँगी. ये कंसीलर बहुत टाइम से है, तो आई डोंट थिंक मेकिंग अ वीडियो विल मेक सेंस. ओके, इसमें क्या था पता नहीं, जो भी था खाली था. नेक्स्ट थिंग जो मैंने परचेज़ करी है वो ये है. ये दिस इज़ द थिंग. I don't know why this is so sticky and tacky, but yeah, ये simple का refreshing facial wash है. Basically I've run out of my face washes, and I needed to restock on the ones that I already love and like, but I thought let's try this one out because इसके reviews मैंने बहुत सुने हैं, बहुत लोगों ने इसके बारे में बहुत अच्छा बोला है. सिंपल के बहुत प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में अच्छा बोला है, तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि इसको ट्राई करते हैं। अभी तक मैंने इसको ट्राई नहीं करा है, तो आई हैव नो आइडिया। इसका प्राइस यहाँ पे 385 लिखा है, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर कि मैंने कितने प्राइस में ख़रीदा है। The next thing that I purchased was a new launch by Swiss Beauty. This is their eyeshadow quads that they have launched. So as I remember, उनके 4 variants थे और मैंने 2 मंगवाए हैं, and these are the 2 that I have picked up. Very beautiful. It's called as the Luster eyeshadow palette, and looks very pretty and very travel size. So I'm very excited to try these ones out. वैसे ये बहुत अफोर्डेबल भी थी। एक तो मैंने 04 शिमर एंड शाइन मंगवाया है और एक 01 रोज एंड पेटल्स मंगवाया है। इसका प्राइस इस पर 199 रुपीज़ लिखा है, बट सिंस ये नए प्रोडक्ट्स हैं तो अंडरस्टैंडेबल है कि आपको डिस्काउंट नहीं मिलेगा। तो या दीज आर द 2 दैट आई पिक्ड अप। विद दैट आई थिंक आई हैव शोड you pretty much everything that I got. Oh no, I got something for my husband. So I will add a clip over here. By any sense, this is not a video to show off. I'm very happy to spoil my man, and that's how I am. I spoil my loved ones. So those who know, I have taken it in this format. I always forget between horizontal and vertical. I hope you guys loved it. I hope you guys, like this tiny Amazon haul that I put up for you guys. Yeah, products याद आएंगे कि ओ मैंने वो भी लिया था, and yeah, that is how I am as a person. I am quite forgetful, and I shop a lot, like a lot. I love shopping, so that's like my favorite thing in the world to do. So yeah, I will end the vlog now. Okay, I won't torture you guys even more. You guys take care, stay safe, and if this vlog gets a little bit, or if this video gets a little bit longer, please bear with me. I'm enjoying making content after a long time of being in this rut. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. The sun is coming back up, the weather is all crazy, it's humid, and my hair looks like I've oiled them, but they just shiny for some reason. Yeah, I don't know what they are. Yeah guys, I will end this vlog.